So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. She has beautiful curly hair, long luscious locks. She spins and she twirls. Into a beautiful pixie haircut. Now she is rocking the finger waved trend with this one. Love how she is styled with the red lip. Very romantic retro feel overall. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations, haircut ideas, and just overall some hairstyles that you can play around with this season. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hot hair ideas, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, so we have another major makeover here. Another beautiful pixie, this one featuring more of that retro 90s look. Very nice chunky highlights mixed in as well, paired with the red lip. This is absolutely gorgeous. So then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she's gonna be getting a bob. Oh, very nice, effortless bob style. And then we see someone with long hair yet again. Switch it up with this gorgeous asymmetrical pixie. I am in love with this one. It's definitely given a bit of a pixie bob or just overall asymmetrical shape. Way longer in the front with the bangs and much shorter in the back. So then we see someone with mid-length blonde hair. Decide to switch things up with this brunette colored tousled bob. Very nice, easy, carefree tousled style. So next up we have another major transformation. So she wants to chop it off into a bob. So she wants a very blunt bob just above the shoulders. Very nice, very sleek and short. Oh, wow. Here we have another bob with the flipped out ends. Gorgeous. Absolutely breathtaking bob style. And then we have someone rocking the wolf cut trend with the cherry cola hair coloring. I recently did a video featuring the cherry cola trend, so definitely check that out if you want to see more about this hot hair hue. Very popular on TikTok. Here we have a DIY hair color transformation. These are always my favorite to watch, the haircut and the DIY coloring. Wow, she went with this bold red. I love her haircut that she did too, the bob and the bangs, very cute. And then we have someone else rocking a bob with the baby bang trend as well as the cherry cola hair. And then we have this beautiful pixie bob haircut. Love her natural salt and pepper hair color with this. This is so beautiful. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.